Choose your destination, your rocket, and 3, 2, 1. Choose your whirlpool and relax. Choose your expedition. Choose your next business trip and your presentation. Choose your statement. Choose your next move. And then, encore. Choose your world. Choose your X. Choose your destination. Choose your rocket. Choose your crew. Buckle up. Ready? And 3, 2, ignition. Choose your territory. Here? No, there. Okay, it's your jungle. Choose your inspiration and your statement. Choose your intro and then hit the right key. Okay, choose your prince. Or what about choose a castle? Choose your spa. Choose your whirlpool. Choose your peeling. And relax. Why don't you choose a business trip on the fast lane? Choose your strategy and your presentation. Choose your audience. No, not this guy. Sorry, this one. Fortissimo. Choose. Okay, we leave you to it. Choose your world. Choose your X. Choose 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Choose out of orbit. Choose your moon. Or what about choose your world? Choose the X1. Choose your destination. Your rocket. And 3, 2, 1. Choose your whirlpool and relax. Choose your expedition. Choose your next business trip and your presentation. Choose your statement. Choose your next move. And then encore. Choose your world. Choose your X.